All right, the reason why your credit score went ahead and dropped because you paid off the loan, take a screenshot of this real quick. All right, too late, back at it again. So the reason is because it was your only installment loan. So if you ever had an auto, a personal loan, a motorcycle, jet ski, whatever, and it was your only type of installment loan, it goes ahead and decreases it because now you don't have any more credit mix, which counts for one of the top 5 when it comes to getting your credit score up higher. The second one is because essentially you had one loan that had a lower balance and the other one still had a high balance. So what I mean about that is, let's say if you only had $200 to go ahead and pay off this loan, but then you had like $5,000 of other installment loans, that's why your credit score went ahead and dropped and had that temporary drop. But it would go ahead and go pick back up, follow up for any more questions and tips.